I don't even know where to start. This is so complicated. Hi everyone, it's your girl Sukie. In this video, I'm going to explain why you should study Simplified Chinese and not bother with traditional Chinese. The first reason is very obvious. Most people who speak Chinese use Simplified Chinese. In mainland China, from the northern area Dongbei to the South Island Hainan, people use Simplified Chinese.
动是吧？
你笑什么鬼啊？笑什么姐？小门，小门，你看我一眼来。你把头转过来，我跟你说话呢，小门。
Although dialects are very common in China, when it comes to Chinese writing, it's highly unified. So if you want to work and live in China or communicate via emails in Chinese, it's more efficient to use Simplified Chinese. The second reason is about readings. Most publications in Chinese are with Simplified Chinese. So if you ever need to refer to a report online or borrow a book from the library or fill in official paperwork, it's always in Simplified Chinese. So for your convenience, Simplified Chinese is a better choice. The third reason is about the market. Traditional Chinese is common in China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, and many Chinatowns overseas. The market in total is still relatively small compared with the mainland market. So considering working or doing business in China, you'd better learn Simplified Chinese so that you can take advantage of the booming market and economy. The last reason is especially important if you are confused by Chinese writings. Simplified Chinese characters are so much easier than the traditional ones to write. Take love, I means love, okay? Take I, for example. This is a traditional Chinese character. Very complicated, right? But the simplified Chinese character is much easier. And another example, 听, which means listening. Look at this one. 听. This is a traditional Chinese character, 听. I don't even know where to start. This is so complicated. But this is the simplified one. This 听 is very easy, right? There's a huge difference. Simplified Chinese makes Chinese writing so much easier. I hope this video helps, and if you want to learn Chinese, make sure to come hang with me on my Instagram website. I'll put the links below, you can go and check it out. My name is Sukie, and I'll see you next one. Bye!